So today is October 12th. This has been a cool summer for us, so some of these are a little later than usual. This is my Marseilles Black VS. Hope you don't mind. My toddler likes to draw while I do everything else. Let's assume it as entertainment.
Can I eat?
Mommy hasn't even tasted yet, but you can take one. Go ahead, take one. So mommy can.
I pick this.
Oh dear. Okay, now. Okay. He's been waiting for figs, even more impatient than I am.
Yummy.
Oh, great! I'm glad you like it. Please keep this one for me so I can try it. I think I had one of these last year. It was quite small, like half the size. So this is a nice 50-cent size. Last year maybe it was a quarter size or less.
No.
So it was quite small. So oh, he gave it back. Thank goodness.
Yummy.
It does really remind me of Hardy Chicago, but it still beat my Hardy Chicago this year because my Hardy Chicago has not ripened. This is quite productive, cold hardy, and so let's review it. It's mildly sweet with a hint of acid. It reminds me of my VDB, Valero Bordeaux. It's just different. This is quite rounder. If I had my Hardy Chicago, I could try it, but I don't. So I'll probably have to wait till next year to see how closely it resembles or which one's actually better. But this is probably the last fig for this year, unfortunately.